2024 Acura Integra. You see vibes. All right. All right, this baby has 10,000 miles. I'm gonna show you real quick how to do the oil change and how to reset the oil life. All right, so stay tuned. Come on, shout outs to everybody. Shout outs to the subscribers, viewers. Love you. Let's get it. Yeah. I'm gonna come through over here. This is how you open the hood. Like that, all right? Through over here. Latch. Okay. We're gonna need that kickstand. Right there. Boom. You see what's Gucci? Let me break it down for you. Oil cap. Check. Radiator cap. Engine air filter. Fuse box. Battery. Brake fluid reservoir. Coolant reservoir. Windshield fluid reservoir. Oil dipstick. Let's go to the bottom and drain this oil. Let's get it. 1.5 liter engine. As usual, you're gonna see this plate. It's like 3 screws or something. One over here. This is flat screwdriver right here. Then another 2 over here. Three, 4 Phillips. As usual. Same design, didn't change. Remove this baby. Just like that. Ha! Now right there you can see oil drain plug, oil filter. 17 millimeter. Ooh. What you think about that oil? This car has 10,000 miles, by the way. Still new, but the oil look kind of cooked up. And you know why? Because a lot of dealerships are like, yo, don't do the oil change after 10,000 miles. Shh. I'm not gonna wait 10,000 miles. I do it the first 3,000 miles. Even though this is synthetic, I will do it like, if it's synthetic, it's every 5,000 miles. But if you love your car, then you know, you can do it every 3,000, 2,000 miles. You know. But if it's at least, then it's whatever. You know what I'm saying? All right, with this baby, the oil filter. All the tools that I'm using for this project, you're gonna see it right below. It says products right below the video. Okay, click on it, and the prices are really good though. I'm not gonna lie. Try it out. All right, I'm done here draining this oil. Pause. If you want to drain most of the oil, you know, you can do it over the night. You know, but if you want to do it during the day or whenever, real quick, you can always grab some quarter of diesel, pour it where the new oil goes, the engine oil. Put it there, let the car run, you know, for a minute, Then that thing's gonna rinse. It's gonna wash up the inside of the engine, then drain it. Oil filter right here, straight from a factory. Ah, slippery. Pause. Integra. Same design as Acura, if you ask me. Nothing changed. You tell me what changed besides of the name. All right. Mount the new oil filter. Now the good thing about this brand is that it comes with a few options for this car. This is right here. This is the brand Pronto. That's a part number, and give you a few options. If you don't want this one, you can use all of the above. Okay, chain frame, mighty. Yeah. This thing's dry. I'm gonna lube it. You could use, all oil, do it by hand. You can lube that gasket with the old oil, new oil, WD 40, grease. It's up to you. Pretty much clean after yourself. Put the cover back. I guess I'm gonna show you how to do that too. Let's see. This thing's gonna go like this. Just like that. Pop. Put the bolts, screws, all that back. Right? You know how it goes. I'm not gonna tie it though. I'm not gonna tie the screws. Just gonna put them like that. And then at the end, I'm gonna tie them. Because now I gotta put the others clips. These clips. Yeah, where it goes. Now you can tie those screws. Just to make your life easier. You know what I'm saying? That's pretty much it. We go to the top now, as always. We're gonna do the oil now. It's gonna be 3.7 quarts, full synthetic oil, 0W20. Okay. Let's see. Just go kind of slow though, because you don't want to overflow it down there. Then you're gonna glaze your engine with oil. You don't want to do that. Talking about glaze, it remind me when I used to work for Dunkin' Donuts. Believe it or not, that's another story though. You can ask me about it in the comment section. 3.7. Okay, pretty much it. What you're gonna do now is grab the cap, put it back, put this back too. Start the car, let it run for a minute, shut it down, pull the oil dipstick out, wipe it, put it back in, pull it out, and the oil is supposed to be right here. where this mark is. Okay, there or close to it. Then, if the oil level is close to that mark, put the oil dipstick back, clean after yourself, and that's it with this oil change, baby. Don't forget to check the other fluids, But that will be it for the oil change. Hana. So yeah. Now I'm gonna show you how to reset the oil life. Let's go. Alright, over here. Step on the brake pedal. Start. Push the start button. Car is running right now. All you're gonna do is play with this panel. Alright. Let it initiate. Okay, whatever. Now you're gonna go scroll to the right, vehicle settings, and sorry for the glare. Go to the right, maintenance info. Now you're gonna select reset items. You're gonna oil and filter. Would you like to reset maintenance information? Yes. Please wait this process. That's it. That was fast, huh? That's how you reset the oil life in this baby. 2024 Acura Integra. All right. I'm gonna leave right here. Shout outs to everybody. Love you. If you wanna show your love and support for the channel, right below the video there's a heart. It says thanks. Click on it. It's gonna ask you for the tip. I do that. I would appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. And you know where to find me. It's me, Axtuo. Kaboom. Yeah, I'm outie.